Hello, my friends. Did you know that the power to change your life instantly is already within you? It's not something far away or something you need to earn, it's as close as your next thought, your next feeling. Today, we're going to explore something profound yet simple: how commanding your reality can transform it in ways you might never have imagined. Life, as you experience it, is shaped by what you believe to be true. Think about it for a moment. Every moment you accept as real, every circumstance you see as fixed, is only that way because you've consented to it, either consciously or unconsciously. But here's the secret: you can command your life to change by shifting what you accept as true. It starts in your mind, with a firm decision, a declaration of what you desire. Now, what do I mean by commanding your reality? It's not about shouting at the world or demanding things from others. It's about aligning yourself inwardly with the truth of what you want. The words you speak to yourself, the images you hold in your imagination, these are the commands that shape your life. If you tell yourself, "I am successful," and truly feel the reality of that statement, you set into motion the forces that will bring that success into your life. Let me make this even clearer. Imagine you are in a situation you want to change. Maybe it's a lack of financial abundance, a strained relationship, or a career that feels stagnant. Instead of focusing on what's wrong, command what you want to see. Speak it into existence within your imagination. Say, "I am wealthy," or "I am in a loving relationship," or "I thrive in my career." The key is to feel it as though it's already true. Don't wait for the outer world to confirm it. You must confirm it inwardly first. You might wonder, can it really be that simple? Yes, it can. But simplicity doesn't mean easy. It requires focus, consistency, and belief. Many of us have been conditioned to think small, to doubt, or to feel powerless. But those limitations are illusions. You are not a victim of circumstance. You are the creator of your experience. By commanding your reality, you reclaim that power. Here's an important point: your imagination is the workshop where all your commands are shaped. When you vividly imagine the life you want, with feeling and clarity, you're giving a command to the deeper part of yourself, the part that knows no limitations. Your imagination isn't just a tool for daydreaming, it's the engine of creation. So, don't just think about what you want, imagine it as if it's already yours. Feel the joy, the relief, the excitement of living that reality now. Let's take an example. Suppose you're struggling with self-doubt. Instead of reinforcing that doubt with thoughts like, "I'm not good enough," or "I can't do this," flip the script. Command yourself to be confident. Close your eyes and imagine yourself standing tall, speaking with assurance, achieving your goals effortlessly. Feel the strength in your voice, the certainty in your actions. Repeat to yourself, "I am confident. I am capable." Do this daily, with conviction, and watch how your outer world begins to reflect your inner command. You might feel resistance at first. That's natural. The mind often clings to familiar patterns, even if they're not serving you. But persistence is the key. Keep commanding your desired reality, even when it feels uncomfortable or unlikely. The more you affirm and feel your desired state, the more your mind and emotions will align with it. And once that alignment happens, the outer world has no choice but to follow. This is not wishful thinking, it's the law of creation. Your inner world and your outer world are deeply connected. The life you see around you is a reflection of the life you believe in within. If you want to change the reflection, you must first change what you believe and feel inside. There is an undeniable energy within each of us, one that shapes and influences the world around us. It's not something external, it's the force of your own awareness, the creative power that drives every aspect of your existence. You may have heard people speak of the power of positive thinking or visualization, but what I'm sharing with you now goes far beyond surface-level optimism. It's about taking control of the energy that you project every moment of every day. You see, your mind is never idle. Even when you feel like you're simply reacting to circumstances, your mind is actively shaping your perception of reality. If you feel trapped by certain situations, it's because you've unintentionally given those situations power over you. But here's the truth that can set you free: you are the one holding the reins. With a simple, intentional command, you can redirect your energy toward outcomes that bring fulfillment, peace, and joy. Let's talk about focus. One of the biggest obstacles to commanding the life you want is a scattered focus. It's easy to get caught up in distractions or to let doubts creep in when you don't see immediate results. But focus is like a magnifying glass for your desires. The more clearly and consistently you direct your thoughts toward what you want, the more power those thoughts gain. Treat your focus like a muscle; it strengthens with practice. Dedicate time each day to concentrating on your goals, shutting out distractions, and reinforcing the reality you wish to create. Another crucial aspect of commanding your life is belief. Without belief, even the strongest commands lose their potency. You must not only speak and imagine your desires but also truly believe in the possibility of their manifestation. This isn't about forcing belief, it's about nurturing it. Start small, with things you feel are within reach, and build from there. Each time you see evidence of your power to create, your belief will grow stronger. Now, let's get into the concept of alignment. Alignment doesn't require struggle or force; it's about being in harmony with the outcomes you seek. This begins by ensuring that your thoughts, emotions, and actions are working together toward your desired reality. For instance, if you're commanding wealth but harbor feelings of lack or guilt around money, your energy becomes conflicted. To align, take time to uncover and release any negative patterns that contradict your commands. This process of internal alignment creates a clear path for your desires to manifest outwardly. One of the most empowering truths about commanding your reality is that it isn't dependent on external conditions. Often, we feel we need circumstances to change before we can feel a certain way. But this is working backward. Feel the reality you desire now, before it appears in your life. If you wait for outer evidence, you're handing your power away. When you learn to generate the feeling internally, you become the master of your experience, not its servant. Have you ever noticed how a single decision can change everything? Deciding is a form of commanding. Decisions create momentum. They signify a shift in energy, a movement towards something greater. The act of deciding is an assertion of your power. Equally important is persistence. Many give up on commanding their reality because they don't see immediate results. But the timing of your manifestations is not a reflection of their validity. Persistence keeps the energy alive. Keep affirming, imagining, and believing even when circumstances seem unchanged. The forces at work are often invisible, but they are always responding to your commands. Trust that the results will come in their perfect time. Now, let's address a common question: what if I don't know what I want? That's okay. Start by commanding clarity. Say, I know what I want. My desires are clear to me. Spend time in quiet reflection or meditation, asking yourself what truly brings you joy, what makes you feel alive. Your desires are not random, they're the whispers of your higher self, guiding you toward the life you're meant to live. Another powerful practice is gratitude. When you command your reality, don't just focus on what's missing. Acknowledge and feel grateful for what you already have. Gratitude amplifies your commands, making them more powerful. Say, thank you for my health, my abundance, my happiness, even if they're not yet fully realized. Gratitude aligns you with the energy of having, which draws more of what you want into your life. Let me leave you with this thought: you are always commanding your reality, whether you realize it or not. Every thought, every feeling, every word is a command. The question is, are you commanding consciously or unconsciously? Take control of your inner dialogue. Be intentional with your imagination. And most importantly, believe in the power you hold. The changes you seek are not somewhere out there. They are waiting for you to claim them, right here, right now. Command your reality with faith, with clarity, and with conviction, and watch how life responds in ways that will astonish you.